5-minute mole versus 5-hour mole. Which one's better? Let's make the 5-minute mole using the rotisserie chicken and Doña Maria mole. Now this is what's gonna save you 5 hours. Add some onion, garlic, and a piece of chocolate. Chicken bouillon, chicken stock. Now we blend. Beautiful. Manteca, add a piece of onion and saute. And you pour. Cook for a minute. Add another cup of water. Add the chicken. Cover the chicken with mole. Simmer for another minute. This is ready. Top it off with sesame seeds. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the authentic 5-hour mole from scratch. Add to boiling water, add salt, bay leaf, garlic, and onion. Cover and cook for an hour and a half. You're gonna need all these ingredients. Clean and seed all your chiles. Slightly char them in manteca. Pumpkin seed, raisin, almond, sesame seed, chocolate, the galletas Maria. Once you see it's toasting, transfer it out into this pot. Add the tomatillos and the plantains, onion and garlic. When it's brown, you add the rest of the spices. 1 minute and you transfer out. Fry 2 tortillas. The more the toasted, the better. Add chicken broth, transfer to the blender, chicken bouillon. Add the clavos de olor and let it rest for 15 minutes so it can cool down. And you blend. And this is what an authentic mole should look like. Add manteca and add the sauce. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. Add the chicken pieces. Cover all the chicken with mole. Boil for 5 minutes. And this is a 5-hour mole. Now let's compare both. All right, I'm tasting the chile ancho, but I'm not tasting all the other spices. Oh my God. This is so good. On the 5-minute mole, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. The 5-hour mole, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Claro que sí!